You may all be familiar with hot chocolate bombs and might recently have learned about tea bombs. For this video, I want to share with you how I made these creative and stunning coffee bombs. I'm also going to show you how to make these super shiny, professional looking chocolate shells using a polycarbonate mold. I'm Chef Sally. Stick with me to the end of this video as I show you the tips and tricks on how to make these stunning coffee bombs. I have here two styles of molds. When making chocolate shells for the bombs, I recommend using a polycarbonate mold as it is a rigid material which will aid in creating a nice shiny shell. It is also easier to handle compared to using a silicone mold. Silicone molds are flexible, making it a bit challenging to handle when creating those perfect shells. To prepare the chocolate for the coffee bombs, melt and crystallize a good quality dark couverture chocolate. Avoid using baking chocolate or candy melts as they will not produce a pleasing result. Pour the prepared chocolate into the cavities of the mold. Your chocolate should be nice and fluid when filling in the mold. What type of chocolate would you use for your chocolate bomb? Are you a dark chocolate lover? Or maybe you like milk or white? Let me know in the comments. Tap or vibrate the mold to release any air bubbles. Tip the mold over and pour out the excess chocolate. You want the shells to be nice and thin to ensure your coffee bombs will melt in the hot water. Place the mold onto a sheet of parchment paper for a minute. This will assist in creating a nice, smooth shell for the end result. While the chocolate is still wet, scrape the excess chocolate to create a nice, clean edge. Allow the chocolate to set by placing in the fridge for a brief 10 to 20 minutes. Now that the chocolate is set, remove it from the mold. As the chocolate is well tempered, the shell is easily removed with the gentlest of pressure. For the coffee, I have two varieties. I'm using a dark roast instant coffee as well as a sweetened coffee with additional creamer. For your coffee bombs, let me know which coffee you would prefer. As well, let me know what you like to snack on during your coffee breaks. To seal the bombs, warm a metal tray or plate. I'm using a stone tile as it retains the heat longer during the sealing process. When sealing the shells, gently warm the edge of the empty shell and place it onto a filled shell. The melted chocolate will set and seal the two sides together. Avoid over melting the chocolate to ensure a nice clean edge. To decorate the bombs, I'm using edible gold dust that I've brushed onto a piece of plastic wrap. The gold powder is used in very small quantities and it is safe to consume. Using the gold powder will create this beautiful gilded effect to the bomb. Next, pour a bit of chocolate onto the plastic wrap. You want to add enough chocolate to partially cover the bombs. With an offset palette knife, spread the chocolate into a rough circle. A little tip I recommend that I did not do is to mist the counter with a bit of water, then place the plastic wrap on top. This will help to prevent the plastic wrap from lifting when spreading the chocolate. While the chocolate is still wet, place the coffee bomb in the middle. Carefully gather the edges of the plastic wrap towards the top. While doing this, the plastic wrap will gather and pleat around the bomb to create a unique pattern. Be careful to not twist the plastic, as it will become more challenging to remove afterwards. You want to achieve a nice thin layer of chocolate. If the chocolate is too thick, it will be more challenging to melt the bomb in the hot water. Place the bomb in the fridge to set for another 15 to 20 minutes. Once the chocolate is set, peel away the plastic wrap. Pay careful attention to any pleated edges as they may be gripping onto the plastic wrap. Just be patient when pulling the plastic away. I love this pattern as it's sleek and sophisticated. It resembles gilded flower petals that are delicately covering the bomb. To serve, place your coffee bomb into your favorite mug and pour freshly boiled water, or hot milk if you prefer, onto the bomb. Stir to melt the bomb and dissolve the coffee into the hot liquid. These bombs came out gorgeous and sophisticated. If you're looking for something special and out of the ordinary, give this decorating technique a try.
Hi all, I just wanted to give you my sincere thanks. Thank you for watching my videos, liking and subscribing. If you found value in this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and hit the notification button so you'll know when my next video is out. But you found value, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification button.
Stop, he just peed behind you.